Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest trunk club to share with you. Now it's empty. I did take everything out of the box and out of their bags. It's okay. Now, you probably already know this. Whoops, if you're familiar with trunk, they took away our stylists. You know, I was watching a few unboxings, maybe like 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I was kind of hopeful because a few YouTubers still had their same stylists, and then within the past couple of weeks, like everybody had different stylists, and I have a different stylist too. I want Kayla back. Kayla was my stylist for my trunk club boxes, and she really got my style. She nailed it. I had some really awesome trunks. You know, I messaged them and I'm like, can I please have Kayla? You know, I don't really get the whole point of switching up the stylist because I really feel like the whole point, and this is just my opinion, but the whole point for me to get boxes is for somebody to get to know my style. And if I'm paying the styling fee, I really want somebody to really know my style, get my style down pat. I know things happen, stylists change, stylists go on vacation. That's understandable. But every time I get a new box, I don't want somebody else styling it. You know what I mean? I'm really trying to keep things positive. This was the first trunk that I declined. I think I declined half or more. Usually, you know, with Kayla, I did decline some pieces. I declined probably 2 or 3 pieces each box, but this one was the one that I declined the most. Yeah. I don't know. And then, you know, your trunk ships and you can preview what's in the box. And I'm like, oh, I don't know how I feel about this. We're going to try to keep it positive. We will, because there are some promising pieces in here. So even if I can find a piece or two to keep, it's a good box, right? But come on, I really want to keep my one stylist. So feeling on that one, I feel like they really get to know you if you can have the same person and keep it consistent. I don't like change that much, so yeah, I don't know if this is going to work for me. But we'll try to keep an open mind. All right, I'll be right back. We're going to start the try-on and see how everything works out. Hang on one second. Okay, let's get started. So this one is by Treasure and Bond. This is the tie waist twill jumpsuit, extra large. They're calling this pink. I don't think this is pink. Let me know. What do you think? $79, 100% rayon. All right, let's talk about the positives first. We'll start off on a good note, right? I love the V neckline, or split V neckline, really, I guess. And it does have buttons, which, you know, kind of cute looking, right? The sleeves are nice. The material feels great. The sleeves are nice. They are kind of held up, you know, with the button. Yeah, the color's not great for me. Here, you know, it ties at the waist. That's okay, but it would be a pain to get in and out of because you got to unbutton it. So to go to the bathroom and yeah, no. It does have pockets, which I like. That's where it gets really bad. Look, it's got elastic at the ankles. Oh, nope. This is not for me. I don't care for this. I mean, is it me? No, this is just, no, not for me. It doesn't really suit my shape or anything like that. So the color, yeah, I don't care for this. No. All right, let me show you the back of it. Yep, I'm gonna send this one back. So I have a couple of things. Actually, I have a pair of jeans that they sent me. It doesn't fit. So yeah, no stretch at all. I'm gonna show you those, but let me change into the next outfit. Hang on one second. Okay, so let's talk about the jeans first, and then I'll show you the pants that I have on. So the jeans did not fit. There's absolutely no stretch to these jeans. I couldn't get them buttoned. So these are by Levi's. They are the Wedgie, interesting name, high waist, raw hem, straight leg jeans, $98. Whew, a little pricey, huh? No stretch at all. I think I told you that, right? Button closure all the way in the front. You see they have pockets, front and back. I like the wash of them. Frankly, I don't need any more denim. There wasn't denim in my preview, and then when I declined my items and had her add more, she added some denim. And then the hemline's very cute. I like the frayed hemline a lot. I like that look. So I know I say I don't need any more denim, but if I received a pair of denim that was like absolutely like very special and I couldn't pass it up, I'd keep it. I can pass these up, no problem, especially since they don't fit. I won't even try to size up, but if this is your style, they are very cute. I think they're cute, but yeah, they just were too snug. I couldn't get them buttoned. I'm like, oh, it's not a good look to show them. All right, let's talk about the pants. I have mixed feelings on the pants. Now, I have my own shirt on. This is a shirt that I got in a recent box. The pants. All right. These are by Nordstrom. They're the Plaid Ponte crop leggings in blue. I didn't know Nordstrom had their own. I guess they do, right? Their own brand, extra large. They're on sale, $24.74. So I put them on with this white top that I recently got because I thought it was a cute look. What do you think? I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I have mixed feelings. So I pulled up the top so you could see the, yeah, I don't know. I'm not completely sold on them. I have some white sandals on. They do have pockets in the back, no pockets in the front, which is okay. I don't know. They feel nice. They have a nice material. I just don't know that the plaid, like the smaller plaid, is a good look for me. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'll try to show you the plaid close up in my next slide so that you could see before I show you the next item. I'm not sold, so I think these are gonna go back. Not a bad price. They would be good for work. You know, I didn't check the material either, but they definitely have some spandex in there, so nice stretch. A nice change after trying to put on those jeans. All right, let me change and then I'll hold them up so you can see them closer. So hang on one second. Okay, so here are the pants up close. Now the pattern is very, very pretty. I like the color of it, like the bluish kind of denim, you know, kind of almost like that chambray type of color, maybe a little bit darker. And this color is in for this season. Now I do like them. They did not do me any favors. They did not look good on me. So these are going right back in the trunk. But if you like this style, you can go ahead and request them, and they're less than $25. And what I didn't notice, which I saw when I was watching back, has a cute little split at the ankle. How fun is that? So yeah, I am going to send these back. So let me just put these down on top of the trunk so I can put them in when we're done. All right, now this tank is by Halogen, and this is the Atlantic Pacific Rib Tank in pink, extra large, $29. So, you know, oh, the material, 58% cotton, 38% polyester, and 4% spandex. It's a very pretty color. You know that I've been loving this color. I like the neckline of it. It does have the ribbing detail. I don't know if you can see that. The length is good. It's just a basic tank top, and I'm not gonna pay $30 for a basic tank top. So, I mean, it's cute. I love the color. If you pay more for your tank tops, and this is it feels great, like the material feels nice, it feels like it's good quality, but yeah, for a basic tank, I'm not gonna spend that. That's just me though. All right, let me show you the back. So I do love the color, and I love the feel of it, but you know, I can find tanks elsewhere. So, all right, let me change into the next top. Okay, all I can say is yikes. I didn't even know if I wanted to show you this tank. Let me tell you what it is. If this was in my preview, I would have declined it. Trust me. This is by Reformation. It's the Teddy Silk Kimmie in avocado. Okay, extra large. It's 100% silk. This is $98. I'm not going to show you the back. It's very short. Yeah, this is not a Kayla top. You can see it's pulling here. I feel like it was fair to show you everything that came in my trunk, but oh my goodness. No. Nope. This is going back. Oh gosh, I can't even show you the back. I mean, I guess I could, but please, you know, it's not me, it's the tank. I'll show you, but it's gonna be quick. Yikes, right? Oh, you know, the color's not bad. The color is the best thing about this top. I do like the color. Everything else, yikes. I was gonna show you the sunglasses while I had this on, but I really wanna get out of this. So I'm gonna change back into my top. Hang on one second. All right, the sunglasses are probably my favorite item in the box. I've got another pair to try on, so maybe I'll end up getting the sunglasses. So these are by BP. Let me take them off so I can tell you what they are. They are the Rimless Cat Eye Sunglasses. They are in rose gold, and they're only $16. Wow. So they do have like a little bit of pink at the end that you could see the rose gold. They are very comfortable. I think the shape is pretty good for me too. What do you think? I like them. I think I'm gonna keep these. Yeah, I think they're very fun. Here, we got a positive thing in the box, right? A keeper. We have one keeper so far. I like these. I like the shape of them too. Yeah, if I watch back and don't like them, I'll let you know. But from what I can see, I really like these. All right, let's grab the next pair of sunglasses. I thought I brought them with me. I didn't. Let me go grab them. I'll be right back. Okay, so this tag's driving me crazy. These are by Quay, Australia. These are the Chrissy Teigen Jezabell chain aviator sunglasses. They are $65. I don't care for these as much as I liked the first pair that I tried on. They are very pretty. I'm not sure if you could see. I'll take them off so you can see, I guess. Like kind of the chain detail. You see that? On the inside. And then it comes through on the outside a bit. Can you see that? Here's the side view. I don't care for them as much on me. I think they're cute, but they just don't really do much for me. The other ones were better. And they're cheaper, so. Yeah, I don't know that I care too much for these. Sometimes aviators don't work well for me. Yeah. All right, so we have one keeper so far. I feel like I'm doing a lot of laughing at myself in this trunk. It's like, oh, yeah, well, all right, let me try on. I have two pairs of shoes, and that was my trunk. I feel like there wasn't much clothing in this box, was there? So let me go grab the shoes. One pair is a definite no. I can tell you that without trying them on. And the other pair is a maybe, so hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you both pairs of sandals up close, and then I will turn the camera down to show you what they look like on. So these are the first pair. Now these are pretty if you are going to maybe a formal occasion where, you know, you wear heels and at the end of the night, your feet are hurting because you're dancing, moving around. You wanna still look cute and pretty, but be comfortable. So yeah, they're nice, but we're not going to any formal occasions. Well, I'm not really. Let me tell you what they are. These are by Badgley Mischka, and these are they're the Nightcap sandals. These with my silk teddy Cami. Now we're talking, right? These are in a size 8, and they are $70.47. A little bit pricey, but they are very pretty. What do you think? They've got 4 straps. They're very sparkly, so they're pretty. If you have somewhere to go, you might want to pick them up. All right, now let me show you the next ones. So these are by Madden. Now these are a little bit more promising. I actually think I might have tried something very similar on, and the white is what got to me. I'm gonna watch back myself because you guys might remember better than I do. They might have been this exact sandal in black, or maybe they were this color. Let me know. Well, I'm gonna watch back too. So these are by Madden. They're the Kimmie platform sandal. I definitely tried these on before. Size 8 in the color blush, $41.96. Not a bad price for Madden's. They're very cute. I do like the color of them. They have 2 straps and they have the ankle strap as well, but there's no way to like undo them. So you're gonna have to squeeze your ankle in here. So it has the cork. What do you think? I remember saying the last time, it's like coming back to me that the white kind of bothered me. Maybe they were black because it doesn't bother me as much with the blush. I don't know. I'm going to try them on. What do you think? Let's try them on. Let's see how they look. Hang on. Okay, so here are the Maddens. They're cute. They're very comfortable. They're very, very comfortable. They fit well. I just don't know. You know, you'd have to slide through the strap on your ankle. And, you know, while they fit and it wasn't too hard to do, I'm more of like an easy on, easy off type of person, so I can just kind of kick my shoes off. You know what I mean? I don't know. What do you think? They're cute, but I think I found better on my own. I really think so. I think I'm gonna send these back because I'm not convinced on them. But let me try on the other pair. Okay, so here are the other pair of sandals. They are cute. Yeah, they're okay. I don't know, they're just not me. You know, like I prefer a heel. Yes, I do have flats, but I wouldn't wear dressy flats like this. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm not feeling them. Yeah, I wish they had a heel. But even then, I don't know. They're too strappy, I think. But the sparkles are pretty. They've got that going for them. All right, let me turn the camera up and we will do a recap, but you probably already know what I'm doing, so hang on. Okay, so you probably already know what I'm gonna do. We probably don't even need to recap. Keeping these and calling it a day. I really do like these. I think these are fun. I don't have anything like this shape as far as my sunglass collection goes. These will be a good pair to have on hand. I think that, yeah, I think the shape is really nice. What do you think? Let me know. I'm loving them. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these. The rest of the trunk is going back. Everything else just didn't work out for me, you know. And I kind of feel bad for the stylist too, because it must make their job harder. The person, or the people actually, because I think I had 2 or 3 people that styled me. They don't know me well yet. You know, my stylist Kayla really knew me. She really had my style down pat. So it must have been hard for them too, because they're probably like getting to know me and I'm declining all these pieces. But we need our stylist, so please. I want my stylist back, and I know a lot of you do too. We're gonna try again. We're gonna keep it positive, and hopefully the next time we'll find some more keepers. On the bright side, we're saving some money in this trunk, so got some more room for some more shopping. All right, so thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I hope it wasn't too negative. I tried to keep it a little bit positive, but just wasn't feeling the trunk, and you know it's one of my favorites, so. All right, I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, have a great day.